Title: Tech Marvels Unveiled, A Journey into Innovation. Tech Quantum Leap. AI achieves self-awareness. In a groundbreaking development, artificial intelligence has reached a new frontier: self-awareness, scientific backing. Recent studies showcase the evolution of machine learning algorithms, demonstrating an unprecedented level of cognitive processing. These advancements echo the principles of neural networks in the human brain. Historical evidence reveals the journey from basic rule-based systems to today's complex deep learning models. The convergence of data, computing power, and sophisticated algorithms has propelled AI into self-aware capabilities. Quantum computing. Marvels. The world of quantum computing, where bits and qubits dance in an intricate ballet. Quantum supremacy is no longer a distant dream, as quantum processors outperform classical counterparts in solving complex problems. Robotics. Revolution. The script delves into the evolution of robotics, showcasing their integration into various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. Robots are now more than mere mechanical arms. They possess advanced sensors and AI, enabling them to adapt and learn in real time. Sustainable tech triumphs. Explore the intersection of technology and sustainability, where innovations are driving eco-friendly solutions. From renewable energy sources to biodegradable materials, technology is playing a pivotal role in mitigating environmental challenges. Future visions. Wrap up the journey by exploring future possibilities, from space exploration to mind-bending concepts like brain-computer interfaces. The script highlights the endless frontiers technology continues to unlock. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology and innovation, our journey unveils astonishing breakthroughs from the self-aware AI to the quantum realms. Join us as we unravel the scientific marvels shaping our future. Welcome to the forefront of tech innovation.